Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can add a vanilla Visa gift card to your Oculus Quest. It's very easy thing to do. First, install MetaQuest in your device. Then open the app and log in with your credentials. Then from the home page, select menu from the bottom right corner. Then from here, scroll down and search for wallet options. Now tap on wallet and you will see an option add a payment method. Tap on it. Now you will see credit or debit card, PayPal account, redeem a gift card. Then you have to add credit. You have to tap on credit or debit card. Then enter your vanilla gift card number, CVV, valid date, and postcode, and select your country, and then tap on add. And that's it. That's how you can add a vanilla gift card to your Oculus Quest.